Greetings and welcome back to Quiz Heat. Today we've got something super exciting lined up for all you movie buffs out there. It's time for the ultimate movie tier list. Come and join us in the fun. Make sure to smash the subscribe button for more awesome content and let's dive in. First one is Avengers Endgame. What ranking are you giving it? Next one is Top Gun Maverick. How would you rank it? What's your ranking on La La Land? Give a rate to The Little Mermaid. The classic horror movie It. Give a rate to Black Panther. How would you rank Ratatouille? Rank The Parent Trap. Did you enjoy Zootopia? Give a rate to Toy Story. How would you rank Avatar? Give a rate to Ghostbusters. This one's the Guardians of the Galaxy. What about Jumanji? Rank Scream 6. Rank The Grinch. Have you watched The Batman? How would you rank Sonic the Hedgehog? What ranking are you giving Megan? How would you rate Spider-Man No Way Home? Did you enjoy watching Coco? Rank The Madagascar. How are you rating Blade Runner 2049? This one's a classic, The Lion King. Have you watched The Suicide Squad? Monsters Inc. What ranking are you giving it? Rate Minions. Did you like the Barbie? Rank Turning Red. Puss in Boots: The Last Wish. Give a rate to Moana. Did you enjoy watching Soul? Rank Encanto. Rank Man of Steel. Give a rate to Forrest Gump. How about Creed? Finding Nemo, how would you rank it? Rank the Super Mario Bros. Rate E.T. Rank The Matrix. The horror movie Annabelle. Rank Dune. Rank Harry Potter. Are you a Potterhead? What ranking are you giving the Up movie? Give a rate to Mary Poppins Returns. What ranking are you giving to Get Out? Give a rate to Deadpool and Wolverine. Hotel Transylvania, have you seen it? Give a rank to Frozen. Are you a fan of Interstellar? The iconic Titanic, how would you rank it? The 2021 movie Mortal Kombat. What are your thoughts on Oppenheimer? How about Inception? The Conjuring, a terrifying classic. Give a rank to Don't Look Up. This one's the Pirates of the Caribbean. The Greatest Showman, how would you rank it? What ranking would you give to the Justice League? Last but not the least, Despicable Me 4. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you had a great time on our channel. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more fun games like this, and see you in the next video.